In this video, we are going to show you how to resize your product images to the same size on Shopify. Now, if you want to have your product images uniform in terms of size so that it's pretty much symmetrical for a better shopping experience for your shoppers or your potential customers, it's very easy. Of course, you need to be signed in to your Shopify account. And once you're logged in, what you want to do is look to your left-hand side, which is where your main menu is, and click on your online store. So once you are here, right, let's wait to load. There you go. Once you are here, you want to actually click on edit theme here on the right hand side, like so. It's going to bring you to the editor where you can just edit whatever you want on your page, on your Shopify online store page, right? So if you scroll down, we have two products here, and as you can see, they're not really of the same size. So how do we fix this? If I want to make this sweatshirt photo or image the same size as the pants, all you need to do is click on the product itself, like so. And here under media, there's something called aspect ratio. So by default, this is automatic, right? This is on auto. But you want to actually click the same type of image type or image style, right? So for this, we want to go with portrait. And as you can see, they are now on the same size. And once you have done this, once you're satisfied with what you're seeing on your screen, all you need to do is click on save. There you go, and it's now saved, and after that you'll be good to go. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.